Alright guys, we're back with Gacha, anime Gacha. We're trying to get the wolf spirit. Wolf spirit, Keito. Okay. Poopy pants. Why am I getting off Cindy's? I hate Cindy. I love saying thunder. Oh, I saw him.
Oh my god. This game is really oh my god.
Pee ho. I'm a pee ho. Oh shit, no. I could have had it.
Yeah, already half an hour.
I'm never going to get it. I have one more token left, but I don't get it. Okay, I know. I just really love the voice acting. Christian content. I fucking hate my life. Please move. Oh fuck! I thought, man. I thought. Okay. E. More soccer bird. E. Son of a bitch. Oh, fuck you, Cindy. See, I will beat your ass. Fucking poopy pants. All I want. Christian Gacha, yeah. P.
Like save the first footage I have from this game, and then I'll be able to continue.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh my god, this game is a nightmare.
Fucking god! Fuck you, fuck you, NATO. All I want, dude, come on. I'm getting mad. I'm going crazy right now. Oh no, I could have had it. Oh my god, no! I could have got it. This game is so mean to me. I could have had it. Fuck you. I don't care if I get ultra rare. All I want is this. I can't. Might rage a little bit, guys. Oh fuck! I thought. God damn it. Yeah. I can't ever. Again. Two. What the hell is going on? Poopy pants. Wow, I'm so fucking great at games. Art of poop. Gotcha. Got you. Fucking goddamn. God no! Oh, I hate. Poopy pants. Oh. I don't have a screen pause recorder, so fucking. Oh, I just saw it. No, I couldn't. It's gonna take forever, guys. Is it possible to get? Is it?
game also has been suggested a couple of times, so
3% of 6 stars thingy.
like the main menu screen with all the cool and
Well, like 0%.
so I got to see only a Twitch
Like 0, a million 0 plus 1.
enough for me to play, so I'm gonna click the game and we're going to see what all of this is about. Certificate.
Oh, it was right there. It was right there. Am I ever gonna get it?
Good job, password storage sites are the same.
What's the one?
So it's 12 p.m.
Gah!
Hey, so,
Gah!
yeah, today you have
Gah! Gah! Come on! No! Oh, damn, it looks like we're all in heaven. Gotcha. Fucking toe. Fuck you, Cindy. Fuck you, Naito. I'm crying like a baby.
Can you speak up? I can't.
Baby toes. Me mad. He's like, oh, I thought he was. And you get. Fuck off. Okay, more. Guys, so I was about to pick Mega Gacha. I think so, yeah. I saw it. I could have had it. Oh my god, fuck me. How do I keep getting that guy? Jeez. Oh, fuck, get away, seat. No, I can't. So close. How long have I been recording? Okay. That's good. Okay. Yes! Oh my god! Yes! Finally! After like 30 minutes of game. I did it! Yes! I win! No, shut the fuck up! I get every gift. Fuck you. But guys, we got it. Yes. Found you. What's up? Guys, sorry guys, I'm just way too excited to get that. We did it, guys. We did it. We did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. Yeah. We did it. I'm not even happy. I'm so happy. Okay. I don't want you. Get out. Whoa, I don't need you. Happy to you. Happy poop. Run! Red cold rivers. Well, yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, like and subscribe. And comment below. And I will see y'all in the next video. See ya.
Reminds me of
Uh.
Five Nights at Freddy's, where I got killed by Mango.